He's
That kid's white. He's one shot right there. He's one shot. Dead.
Push.
Grab the loot.
I got it.
Here, let's go. Here. You have a launch pad.
Yep.
Shit. We're just going up.
Yep.
Here.
Yep. I got a campfire as well. I'm gonna use it when I don't have mini speed.
Holy shit, bro. Alright, right behind you.
Okay.
Build up. Alright. Ah, shit.
I'm in here. Top of my camp. Get me on this camp. Drop in 2 minis.
You on the AR.
AR ammo, here you go.
Build. How much chance do you have? Is there someone high ground?
Yep. So you're rotating?
He's in our box. Oh shit, I'm getting stunned, dog.
Okay. Point your shield. Keep looking for that. Shit. I'll go for picks.
You're rotating.
Yep, I can. Yep, follow me. Above us.
Rotate in.
Oh shit! Down over there. I have 90 mats left. I need a glider to play this one. Good shit. Want it for the couple extra mats?
Alright.
Worth. Got 50.
2v1, I think. I have a launch pad.
21 shield, someone just shadow bomb. Got a high ground. Look for him. Oh, he's over there.
Here. Watch out.
Underground. I got hit hard. Good shit.
I don't fucking know where he's at, dog. I can't hear. It was underneath me. I want to get no fucking audio, bro.
No audio. Let's go. Poggers.
Bro, I just want to get with no audio, bro.
Popping off, baby. I have 3. No, stop.
What?
It stinks. I can hold it.
Oh. Whoa. I'm gonna kill these guys. Hold up. Oh. Alright, here, nevermind. Just take them here. Take them. Holy
35
shit.
shield. Someone just shot out our floor.
They did.
The floor right under me, yeah. He's heavy sniped it.
It's a stacked!
Oh shit, there's someone looking at me with a sniper south.
Alright, let's just stop peeking for a sec. There's way too many kids alive. Move. Fish dead. Fish down.
Fish down.
Oh, I thought I knocked him.
Thanks.
Where?
Good. Having a Maddie?
Move. fuck?
I
Where'd
thought
you
that
go?
was more bandies.
There was bandies. Oh, there are
I
bandies.
have 15. I have 15. I was gonna grab one more.
Alright, I don't want to be on this layer anymore. Alright, we're gonna rift this next zone. Oh, there's
I
guys
can launch
underneath
pad.
us.
We can use drift next zone after that to get high ground. Oh, there's a launch pad right
You have
there.
sinks? You have sinks?
Yeah, I do.
Sink this right here. I might be kids there. Hold up, right here. Somewhere in
Oh,
there.
there's a launch pad east.
Where?
You see it?
Where?
They just boxed it in. Alright,
Yeah,
follow
there's
me.
no point.
Follow
Oh, are
me.
we going for it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dude, fuck that. I'm gonna... Hold up, I need a heal.
I got it. See if you can grab that.
Oh my, I'm 1 HP, bro. I'm 1 HP.
Alright, you can rift if you want, but you're gonna get beamed.
Yo, build up for me. Oh,
Yeah,
let me, no! I need bandages.
Yeah, you hear?
Trade, here.
Okay.
Take that.
Alright, we're gonna launch pad this one to get the rest of the way in.
Alright.
Okay, pick up these bank. I gotta find us a
Alright,
spot
alright.
to launch pad.
Right there.
Okay, ready?
Are you in zone?
Yeah, top of this metal, yep.
Yeah. Build. I'm looking. Ah, shit. Oh.
Are we gonna rift this zone?
Yeah. There's a kid by you, dude. We
Alright, we got zone,
we
we
got
got
zone.
zone.
I'm gonna tie kids.
This kid's gonna be coming over here, Michael.
Yeah. Break his shit, break it. Don't wait for him. Don't. 3, 2, 1, go. Fuck that fish, dude. Oh. Where you? Come here. Ah!
Go rift. Good shit.
I drifted 40 kids!
Yeah, how much mass do you have? I'm at like 1k.
I'm at 3-6. I don't know.
Yo, there's only one guy in height.
Yeah, fuck high right now. I'm laying right here and crank up, dude. I'm cranking up.
Okay. Are they fighting? I'm save my gunner for now. Alright, Michael, you got any other rotation devices
No.
or not? Someone rifted right below us.
Go. Where? Oh. Move.
Maybe not.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Fuck!
Alright.
Dead.
Oh, you're nuts. Let's go. Oh!
Go.
Popping minis. Find us. This kid's a psycho.
What the fuck?
Good shit.
Move, edit.
Shit, I was trying to fall down. 2 people right above us. Popping a mini. You going for height? Okay.
Oh, I can't go right. I lagged off.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I dropped down.
Dude, this gun's ass.
Whoa! You're in my box. I didn't even see it.